What's going on YouTube? Steven the Salon Guy here, and due to many requests, I'm making this video. And a lot of you guys wanted to know about branding and how to build a brand. And since I've spent the last 10 plus years building up a brand, I figured let me share some information to you guys. Let me know in the comments below if you're an entrepreneur, if you're looking to do something with your life, I love to know. And this video really has nothing to do with hair specifically, but it's about business and what I've done over the last 10 years to build up my brand, which is all based around the Salon Guy, beauty, hair, and stuff like that. So I'm ready to go. Let's get started. All right, so let's talk about the most important things when it comes to building a brand. And right now we're basically in my studio, the Salon Guy Studios, and I want to do this more of like a vlog style and make it a little more realistic and relatable. There's three key things that you need to know and ask yourself when it comes to building a brand. If you can answer these three questions, it's gonna literally help solve all of your problems. And here are the three questions, okay? Or really it's three words. It's why, what, and how, okay? Why, what, and how. Those three words, if you can answer why you wanna build a brand or a business, what are you going to do, and how are you going to do it? Those are literally the most, we could just end this video right now. Those are the three most important things. So let's talk about that a little bit, okay? And just come with me. I want to show you a little bit more about what it entails. So let's talk about the why, all right? The why first. Why do you want to do what you want to do? And it's very common that a lot of people have no idea what it is, they want to do or why they want to do it. A lot of people say, oh, I just, want to become a YouTuber, I want to be famous, I want to make a lot of money, but like, why? Is it for fame? Is it for ego? Is it literally like to make money from becoming a business? Like, why do you want to do what you want to do? Ask yourself that question. Is it coming from the heart? Do you want to inspire people? Do you want to motivate people? Do you want to educate people? Do you want to make people laugh? Do you want people cry? Like, that's it, why? Okay. Next up, follow me. What are you going to do, okay? What are you going to do? When it comes to the what, I've spent the last 10 years or so on YouTube doing frigging hair tutorials, for God's sakes. Hair tutorials, all right? When I first started doing YouTube videos, I wanted to inspire people and do motivational stuff for people in the salon industry. I didn't even want to do hair. And then people started saying, do you cut hair? I'm like, who wants to watch some dude cut hair on the internet? Like, that's kind of weird. Obviously millions of people want to watch that. So I started doing haircut tutorials, all right? So what was it that I was gonna do? Hair videos. And then I want to start interviewing celebrities about their hair. Next thing you know, I started going out and interviewing celebrities about their hair. So the what was literally, this is the type of content I'm going to make. So when you ask yourself, now you know why you want to do it, what the heck are you going to do? Are you gonna sit there and make videos all day in your bedroom? Are you gonna make videos about ducks swimming around in the water? Are you gonna make videos about cooking? Whatever the hell you're gonna make videos of, that is the what, all right? That's the what. And then the last and most important thing is how. How is probably just as important as why. So how are you going to do it? Really what it comes down to is the production, right? I have this huge studio. I have no idea why, to be honest with you. No, but it's really, you have to figure out, like, they all kind of come into sync. You have all these ideas, everybody wants to do something, but how the heck are you going to do it? So, step one, video camera, video gear. Like, are you gonna shoot on your iPhone? Are you going to use professional gear like what I have? Are you going to, shoot your videos in your bedroom? Are you gonna shoot your videos like at some random place? Are you gonna be like an outdoors person? Like, how are you going to actually create your content? Are you going to film, once a week, twice a week? What's your strategy gonna be? Really, I think you see where I'm going with this. How are you going to do it? So when you can combine all those three things, the why, the what, and the how, that's just like the first step of building a brand, okay? That's like the core essentials. If you don't have that stuff ready to go, don't even, now you can do this for fun, all right? Building a brand could be literally like some random side thing you want to do. But the end result has to be like, are you trying to start a business? Because if you want to make money from this, like most people, they want to become famous and all that. They think, oh, I'm going to become a brand and start a YouTube channel, and I'm going to like drive a Tesla next month. It doesn't always work that way, right? I drive a 1964 car, and I've been driving that for 14 years. I'm kidding. No. But anyway, so, you know, it really comes down to like, what's the end result? So if you want to start a business, here's what you need to do. You need to start looking at yourself as a business, okay? That's the most important thing. Time is money. Everything is valuable to you. The amount of resources and the hundreds of thousands of dollars probably I've spent into myself, it's unheard of. It's ridiculous. You have to invest in yourself, right? That's not easy to do. So you're going to have some sort of money on your own, go into, you know, debt somehow. You have to invest in yourself, and it's the most important part of it is building it. Make sure you register yourself as a business. You create like an LLC. You can do all these things on your own, but you need to lock yourself in as a business, because once you have a business, you start looking at yourself like a business. All right. So then it's just following the path of how much time are you going to put into this? How much, you know, the resources, the this, the that, the why, the what, the how. Once you put that together, it's all going to really help you. Now, I'm going to leave you guys with this. This is probably the most important thing. All right, so the last part of this is about being patient. That's one thing that most people don't have. I tell people that I don't have a lot of patience, mostly because I'm not a doctor, okay? I don't see patients, so I can't. But anyway, no, I'm just kidding. So you need to have a lot of patience, meaning like this isn't going to happen overnight. If you're one of those random like vloggers who's got like super nice hair and like good looks and like talks about their cats all day, then there's a chance you become famous overnight. Or I don't say famous, but like go viral. So it's something you really need to understand, that, you know, patience is about timing and how much you're willing to sacrifice. There's a lot of things that comes with being an entrepreneur. Sacrifice, what are you willing to give up? All right, are you willing to give up drinking, you know, a lot of natty ice and all that? You guys got to chill with that. You college kids, you got to chill with that stuff, man. You know, how much time are you dedicating to what it is you want to build up? Do you have to give up going to happy hour 4 nights a week? Do you have to give up, you know, some friends, some toxic people? Like, you need to really give things up, and I'm just being honest with you. Surround yourself around other successful people, or surround yourself around no one. Because the more people who are around you that can bring you down, that's just going to hold you back. So you're better off just going kind of solo and going into your own world of becoming an entrepreneur, learning as much as you can, watch YouTube videos, read books. And I'm telling you, man, like, you know, entrepreneurship isn't for everybody, but I just want to let you know, like, I'm literally at like the middle point of where I'm at. There's so much I want to do. I want to continue to grow, and only I can do that for myself. You have to get to the point where you can rely on yourself, and if you can do that, then I feel you have a great chance and an opportunity ahead of you. So please let me know in the comments below if you found this video helpful. All right, as you can see, I'm really trying to change up my content a little bit after doing, you know, 80,000 hair tutorials on Justin Bieber for the last 10 years. You know, I'm getting tired of it, to be honest with you. But I have so much to share with you, so much knowledge to give, and I really want to help people out in whatever way I possibly can. And I want you guys to understand more about me and what goes into the Salon Guy. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.